Mu lukungaana lw'abannamawulire lwatuuzizza ku kitebe ky'obulabirizi Namirembe, Ssaabalabirizi w'ekkanisa ya Uganda His Grace Stanley Ntagali awadde obubaka bwe obwa ssekukkulu n'obw'ekibiina ekigatta ensikiriza ez'enjawulo kiyite Joint Christian Council mu Lungereza eri bannayuganda.
If you have not yet received Jesus as your Lord and Savior, then I urge you to let this Christmas be not only the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ, but also be the day you were born again. And as
Ssaabalabirizi Ntagali yennyamidde olw'ebikolwa ebyeko ebikolebwa ku baana ensangi zino omuli okubatulugunya, obutabanguko bweyongedde mu maka, obuli bw'enguzi obufumbekedde mu bantu, ssaako n'okutunda abaana mu bazungu.
Born again, our greatest need in Uganda is for another revival. I have heard horrifying stories of human trafficking where our young men and women and young ladies are lured to other countries with a false promise of work and money, only to find themselves forced to work as prostitutes or as slave labor. Their passports are confiscated and they have little hope to escape the prison they have found themselves in. I call upon the government of Uganda to strengthen our laws that protect children against foreign adoptions.
Asabye ne gavumenti eyongera amaanyi mu kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi, ate n'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda kaweebwa omukisa okwetongola kikasobozesa okuteeka okulonda okw'amazima n'obwenkanya okubindabinda mu mwaka gwa 2016. Bw'atyo ayagaliza Pulezidenti Museveni ne mukyala we amazaalibwa ag'essanyu n'omwaka omujja wamu ne bannayuganda bonna.
Friends, at this moment I send warm greetings to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and Her Excellency, Honorable Mama Janet and their entire family and all our government leaders, all the bishops and your wives, the clergy, lay readers and Christians of the Church of Uganda. I also send my sincere greetings along with prayers for a blessed Christmas for our Roman Catholic, Orthodox and Pentecostal brethren and all those who have looked in hope to the child who has been born and the son who has been given, Jesus Christ, whose birth we celebrate. Fellow Ugandans, I wish you a happy Christmas and God's blessings.
Joseph Setimba yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa Bukedde TV1.
Have a general prayer.